intense mo sa trailer. Join me here. How are you?
Hello,
I'm
John.
good.
Hi everyone, thanks for coming. Thank you so much for this grand opportunity to be here in front of all of you and for you to view this awesome series.
Okay,
Diba?
thank you for always saying yes to a Dreamscape project.
Of course,
You know
always
that.
an honor and thank you for the trust.
Sobra. Very reliable. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na sa amin si Rafael. No? What can we look forward to you here bukod sa napakakaiba yung character mo sa teaser as a trailer that we have seen?
Well, story-wise, as in, ang ganda ng story. Personally, bilang isang cast member sa show na to, tuwing nagbabasa ako ng script, I always excited para malaman ko anong isusulat sa next script.
Medyo difficult daw ang mounting nito, Raf. Totoo ba? Kasi ang twisted daw nung...
Yeah, ang twisted ng story, ang twisted ng mga characters. So, abangan ninyo yung mga iba't ibang portrayal ng iba't ibang artista dito. As in, very entertaining.
Wow. How long have you been in showbiz, Raf?
Tinatanong pa.
I know, right? 20 years na.
More than 2 decades. Yeah.
I know, two and a half decades. Ayan
So, umabot
and
na tayo
still
dyan,
here,
guys.
di ba? Original
And still
Star
here.
Magic, Star Circle.
9.
Yeah. See, and then ganun lang naman ang buhay. Mag-ABS ka, mag-GMA ka, mag-Prime ka, ganyan po. And thank you always, Raf, for always saying yes to a Dreamscape offer.
Of course, thank you for always having me and thank you so much sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Maraming salamat sa all the love and support, lalong-lalo na sa social media. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Thank you talaga.
Would you like to thank the people of Cebu, di ba?
Yes, of course. Lahat. Taga-Cebu ako eh. Taga-Cebu si Daddy eh. So,
okay.
home city din namin yan. So, maraming salamat. Kung meron man dito na taga-Cebu, kung napapanood ng mga taga-Cebu dito, thank you so much for lending us your beautiful environment and landscape. As in, ang ganda. At I think it's justified through the screen talaga sa pinapalabas. Mapapanood natin ang aliwalas talaga ng Cebu. Ang ganda.
Sarap bumalik-balik sa Cebu, ano?
Yes.
Alright, thank you, Rap!
Thank you so much. Enjoy the show. Maraming salamat ulit. It's always an honor.
Okay. Co-actors there, as I call in the next batch of actors natin. Happy ako, she's back. Ang husay nito eh. And she is... Sa trailer pa lang, alam na natin the role she's portraying. Please welcome, Sofia Andres. One of the most beautiful actresses who has the most beautiful faces. Diba? One of the most beautiful faces sa showbiz, Sofia. Napakaganda. And I'm happy that she's back to doing series again, performing again. Hey! Join me here, Sophie! I know! How are you? Welcome back sa Dreamscape and ABS-CBN Studios.
Thank you guys for coming. Sobrang appreciate namin yung presence nyo. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi
Ang
kami...
tapang mo naman dito.
Ha?
Ang tapang-tapang mo. Nananampal ka.
Sobrang tapang. Kailangan ganun sa life.
Talaga?
Yes.
Did you prepare? Hindi kasi ganito eh. You've never portrayed a role as fierce as this before. So how did you prepare for the role dito, Sofia?
Kaya nga, wag niyo po akong i-hate. Wag niyo po ako i-hate.
Mahal niya ang Kim Pao. She's just portraying a role.
Yeah.
Are you happy to be back?
I'm so happy to be back kasi syempre ang dami pong mga veterans na I really look up
Hindi,
to.
ilang years lang naman.
I mean, to be with Kim Pao, Tito John, Miss Jaja, Samuel B., Rafael Rosel, Miss Alma Moreno. I mean, like, sila na po yung mga
Naiintindihan ko naman you're coming from. The challenge is so... Di ba?
The pressure is real.
The pressure is real, sabi nga. Pero sabi, ang husay mo raw, sabi ni Miss Carta, the head of production.
Thank you guys so much. I really gave my best for this.
We will find out later.
Project.
The pilot episode, mapapanood po natin sabay-sabay later on.
na
Enjoy your
po.
co-actors there, Sofia.
Okay.
And makakasama
Thank
natin
you.
siya sa MediaCon
Thank
tsaka
you,
sa
guys. See you.
special screening inside. Okay, thank you. Careful. Yan, paki-guide. Okay. Hindi ko na alam kung paano i-intro ko to. Every time Dreamscape needs a reliable leading man, he is always there. He really is a reliable stage. Oh my God. Still, the royal hotness himself, Mr. Sam Milby! He's always there for Dreamscape. That's one thing we appreciate about him. Hindi ko ito makatanda yung Sam. Join me here, Sam! Hello!
Hi, Sir AJ. Always good to see you.
I know. Greet everyone,
Good afternoon po sa
Sam.
inyong lahat. Thank you guys so much for coming.
Mukhang ibang role mo dito, Sam, ha? Correct.
Yes.
Trabaho mo daw to, I heard.
It was a challenge para sa akin. But I'm so excited for you guys to watch this. Thriller mystery, and I'm excited to see mga reactions ng mga tao.
I know.
Yes.
Thank you for always saying yes to doing a Dreamscape
Of course,
project.
Dreamscape is, oh my gosh, they treat me
Love
so
ka
well. So
ng
thank you
Dreamscape
guys.
family mo.
Yes, I love them also.
Okay, and what can we expect aside from being a different character? You are playing what? What's your character, Sam?
I played the role of Walter Cunana.
The one who got the position, the CEO.
Yes, I got the CEO position. I am very smart, very cunning, deceitful also, and I would say revengeful.
Wow, yun eh.
Yeah. A damning revelations as the story goes on, so it's really exciting.
How do you feel working with Kim and Paolo? Who are
It's
you?
been a great time.
I know, friends mo sila eh, di ba?
Yes, I think kami ni Kimmy, we've only done like a Your Song before, so super tagal na yun.
18
With
years
Paolo,
ago.
I did work with him, with Angeline Quito, kahit konting
konting
patingin.
KKP,
Ang tagal
I
yun nun,
remember.
yeah. So it's been great working with them again, and yeah, it's a beautiful story. So I'm excited.
We look
Eto na.
forward to watching
Yeah.
you on the 7th of November sa
7th
Prime.
of November,
ano.
yes.
And later on, mapapanood na namin ang pilot episode with some of the members of the press and your fans. Join your co-actors there, Sam, please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Oh my God, hi, Miss Caress na Cornerstone. Thank you, ha. Hi, CRN. Oh my goodness, I'm happy seeing her again. And I will be happier seeing her acting again sa Friday once we start watching her sa The Alibay. Here! Oh, bagets, looking lovely. ZZP! Hello, Miss Z! Oh, get okay.
Hi everybody! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. So happy to see all of you here.
Welcome back sa Dream!
Acting again in Dreamscape.
Ano bang huli mo? Sorry.
Kim din. The story of us. Ano nga ba? No, I was working in Singapore.
Love Thy Woman?
Love Thy Woman.
Correct.
Nag-back-to-back din kami ni Kim eh. Story
I
of
know.
us.
Thank
And
you
then
for
Love Thy
saying yes to
Woman.
doing this.
Yeah, oh my God. I'm so happy kasi napakaganda ng role ko dito.
I know naman maganda relationship with Mr. Deo before, di ba?
Yes,
Kayo yung,
true.
he would always put you
That's right.
in a perfect role
Oo.
And I'm happy that you're
Medyo
back.
nahinto ako na nabanggit mo kasi nag-pandemic, nahiya ako sa partner ko. Siyempre hindi siya taga-showbiz.
Oh, you have to have time for him, di ba?
Oo, dahil kasi nauso yung lock-in.
Correct.
Oo, so nahinto muna ako.
So yun din palang reason. But happy they are back.
Yes.
Sana tuloy-tuloy na.
Yes.
Although on the side, andyan pa rin naman ang first love niya, which is singing,
He's
recording.
very supportive naman. So he says, no, it's okay.
Miss Z, parang magandang role mo dito.
Yes, sobrang ganda.
Dikit kanino?
Sa buong pamilya kasi I have 3 sons, the Cabreras.
Anak mo
Oo.
si Pao.
Yes, anak ko si Pao.
Si
Tatlo
Robbie.
yung anak ko na lalaki.
Wow.
And yun, so makikita yung yung love ng isang nanay na minsan mali na din yung ginagawa. Pero
Wow.
dahil sa pagmamahal sa anak, sobrang protective sa pamilya. Kasi yun yung buhay niya.
Ang ganda ng anchor pala ng show, family pa rin talaga,
That's true.
Good to see you tonight, Miss Z.
Thank you so
I'll see you. Join your co-actors.
See you. I hope you enjoyed our premiere.
We will later on.
Okay.
Okay. Miss Z, stay ka lang dyan sa gitna. Isang photo op lang. Ayan. The members of the media are covering today's blue carpet. Ang ganda pa rin talaga ni ZZP. Okay, as I call in an internationally acclaimed actor, award-winning, the mere presence of this leader natin sa industry, Sir John Arcilla. Kuya John! The award-winning John Arcilla. Please greet everyone.
Hello po. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon everyone. And thank you for coming.
mukhang iba na naman ang bibigay mo dito. Lagi namang iba, pero bigyan mo you.
Well, genuine na magmahal si Arthur. Kaya lang, by hook or by crook, ipoprotect niya yung mahal niya sa buhay kahit anong paraan.
So, asawa mo si Miss Z.
Yes, yes, yes. And sobrang na-inlove ako sa Kim Pao. And na-inlove ako siyempre doon sa pamilya ko. Kay Sofia Andres, kay Rafael Rosel, kay Robbie. And alam mo, na-inlove ako kay Jaja Padilla.
Ganda pa rin talaga,
Ibang
no?
klase.
I was
Ibang
looking
klase.
at her kanina up close. Sabi ko, ang ganda pa rin talaga ni Miss Z.
Ibang klase. Napaka-natural ng elegance. At
Classic
saka
lang.
isang mahusay na actress.
Totoo naman.
Hindi mo lang sasabihin divine diva, pero talagang one of the best actresses in the Philippine cinema or Philippine industry.
You are a world-class actor, Kuya John. And
Thank you.
always, on behalf of the Dreamscape Management, thank you for always saying yes to a Dreamscape project.
Oh, syempre naman, pamilya natin to.
At saka ang proper niya, pag may gagawin siya sa ibang station, magkapaalam muna siya sa mga boss. Ang galing, di ba? Yung iba yan tatanggap agad. Pero siya talaga nagpapasabi, I will be gone for 3 months. Tapos, andito lang ako. And ando naman lagi yung offer sa kanya.
Gano'n naman tayo sa kapamilya, hindi ba?
Yes!
Tama ba? Mahal natin ang kapamilya, hindi ba?
Okay. Thank you, Sir John. Please join your co-actor sa Cinema 6. As na pa sa loob, as I call in another leader natin sa ABS-CBN. Please.
November 7, Prime Video. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Sir John. Please. Okay. Diretso na po. Paki-guide si Sir John, please. I can see members of the media na nagko-cover na dito. Thank you, ha. Mr. Tani Vivas.